Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to change the notification sound for the messaging app on your iPad. So the first step is to open settings, and in settings scroll and select the option apps. From here, look through your apps list until you find messaging, then tap on it. Then select the option notifications. Next, you should see sounds, select that. And now you have options you can choose from. So you can choose pre-installed tones that come with your iPad, or you can choose to use one from the tone store, or if you have any purchased tones from a previous iPad or iPhone with the same Apple ID, then you can choose to download them onto the iPad and select one. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.